Well, hello and welcome to this new video. It's about using everyday objects like some cotton swabs as texture in your art. And I want to thank you for all the lovely comments I get on my videos. So thank you very much, it means a lot to me. And again, in this video I also gonna play with some color and different color products like Chalky paint in combination with the fluid, high fluid from Golden and the Pebeo Colorex. First I spray some water on the canvas for the clay to stick, and make sure this clay will make a good contact with the canvas. I use a cheap children's clay for building up my texture. And I spray also water over the clay, then it becomes soft and I can easily shape it in any form I want. Time for some extra texture with the cotton swabs. I painted my canvas black, as you can see, because I wasn't happy with my composition. And when I paint it in just one color, I can easily see what was wrong with the composition. And for me it was too little texture. It was too not exciting enough for me with the texture. So I'm putting some extra clay here and there, but I will change that later, as you will see, because that was too much all over the place. So this is why I painted it first black, and then I start again with the composition and the cotton swabs. Black Bister, so I can see the composition better. Where it first was too little, now it's too much. It's all over the place, and I want it just to a focus point on my canvas. So I'm scraping away the extra clay that I don't want. Now I have some chalky paint from Fleur. It's a little bit gray color, and I'm painting my texture and the whole painting, the whole canvas in that color. It was a long time ago when I used this kind of paint, but I love it. I love the combination of different mediums of color to use together. When you start coloring and textured painting, always remember that on top it must be light and in the depths it must be dark. A Pebeo Colorex. I will leave the colors I use and the products I use below this video in the description. Just let the color find its way in the texture. That's also why I love the fluid colors and mediums. This is the high fluid from golden, the silver, and I put some between the cotton swabs, and then I use my water spray bottle, and the color and paint will find its own way in the texture. And as always, I'm ending the painting with my paint roller and some gesso to lighten up the painting and the colors. If you like this video, please give me a like and comment. This will help me to grow my channel. You can also see that the gesso blends the colors very well together.